Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard shortcuts on the DuckDuckGo website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website. Click on the settings button or menu icon in the upper right corner of the page and then click on all settings. Tap on general at the top, then scroll down, and here you have the keyboard shortcuts section, which enables keyboard shortcuts on the site. If you want to enable them, click on the on button so that the keyboard shortcuts will be displayed. If you want to turn them off, click on the off button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.